Can I retrieve my IMAP username and password through the email client settings?
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss an important topic related to your email's IMAP settings. Many people often wonder, can I retrieve my IMAP username and password through the email client settings? This question arises when you have forgotten your IMAP credentials and you're trying to retrieve them. Let's delve into the details.
What is IMAP?
Before we proceed, let's quickly understand what IMAP is. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. It's a protocol that email clients use to retrieve messages from a mail server. This process is conducted over a TCP/IP connection.
Can I retrieve my IMAP username and password?
Now to the crux of the question. When it comes to retrieving your IMAP username and password through the email client settings, the simple answer is no, you typically cannot. This is due to the fact that these credentials are usually stored in an encrypted format for security purposes to protect your personal information. This means that even if you access the settings where your credentials are stored, you will only see dots, asterisks, or some other placeholder characters instead of the actual characters of your password.
What can I do if I forget my IMAP credentials?
If you've forgotten your IMAP username or password, there are a couple of steps you can take. 1. Reset your email account password. Your email provider will typically have a way for you to do this. It usually involves clicking on a Forgot Password link and following the instructions sent to your backup email or phone number. 2. Contact your email provider's support. If you're having trouble, you can reach out to your email provider's customer support for assistance. In conclusion, while it's not possible to retrieve your IMAP username and password directly from your email client settings, you can reset them using your email provider's tools or by reaching out to their support team. Remember, it's always important to keep your credentials safe and secure. I hope this video has been helpful and cleared any doubts. Thanks for watching.